welcome back to my channel. Today is October 21st, meaning it is the 21st day of 31 days of Halloween, meaning we only have 10 more looks after this and I can sleep again. So today we are doing a dark mermaid look. I do a mermaid every year since the very first year I did it. That is going to be a running theme through all of my Halloweens. There will always be some variation of a mermaid, and I have next year's planned already. Please make me not be like this. Anyway, this doesn't take that long, and I've never done the contour with the scales. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna try it out with a wig cap and everything. So let's get started. First step, as always, is to prime our eyes. Move in a little bit so you guys can see me better. I'm gonna throw on just some concealer as primer. I've really been liking the Can't Stop, Won't Stop as primer. It doesn't crease up, and when it sets, so it stays in place, and it's just better at covering up the pigmentation on my eyelids. Okay, now I'm going to go in to a black, like a matte black color, and we're gonna pack this all over the eyelid. I know for a mermaid this isn't very traditional, but we're doing a scary kind of mermaid, a little bit darker. So I'm just taking this black and packing it on. I'm just bringing this up to the crease, and I'm trying to be as neat as possible with it because the other colors I'm gonna use really aren't gonna mask this. So I want it to be nice and clean from the start. Now I'm gonna go in with the Sugar Pill shade Candy Crush. It is like this sea foamy mint metallic green on a packing brush. And we're gonna start packing that on the inside and on top of the black. Pop this color on the inner corner as well. Using the same brush, a packing brush, I'm gonna go in with a kind of neon metallic green. Pack this on in the center. Blending with my finger because honestly it's like the best, easiest tool to use, especially with metallic shades like this. And then around the outside of the eye on the side here, I'm going to take a matte neon kind of chartreuse color. So we're gonna bring it around here and make sure it blends into the black so that it kind of looks like it's glowing. Now let's jump into the base. I'm going to be using my Ole Whip primer, my Dr. Jart Cicapair, and my matte and poreless. So I'm gonna go put that on off camera and I'll be right back. Now that I have my base done, I have my concealer and my foundation. We're going to take the same order of shadows that we used for the crease and kind of brow bone area and smudge them on the lower lash line. So starting with Candy Crush from Sugar Pill, I'm just gonna drag that underneath. I go into the shimmery green, the kind of chartreuse color, and this one you can bring all around so that it blends with the other green. And now I'm gonna add mascara. I'm gonna add some Ardell lashes. These are the number 600s. These are the kind of separated spiky ones. So I'm gonna throw these on off camera and then we're gonna do our contour. So now we are going to add the contour. I'm taking a wig cap. You guys have probably seen this on other people's channels, but I'm just gonna put it on my forehead to start. I'm also using this wig cap to put my wig on, but you know, oh well. I only have so many like this. So I am taking a like blush brush, kind of something a little dense, and I'm gonna take a matte purple color to start. Then I'm gonna go in with a matte green. So we're gonna lift that off. And I am putting a wig on, so you won't see the kind of hairlines back on. And go like here. So same thing, dark purple. Okay, so now that we have the contour done with the purple scales, I'm going to use this Revolution Makeup Mermaid Scales Liquid Highlight. And it's like this green dropper. I'm going to throw some of this on my hand and pick up a brush to apply it evenly. You gotta like spread this stuff out so it doesn't take over your whole face. And then highlight accordingly. For my eyebrows, I'm going to take a gold shadow because that sounds like a fun idea. And we're gonna just fill in my brows with it. I don't know if it's really gonna work, but we're gonna try it. For my lips, I'm going to use two different NYX colors. I'm going to start with Jet Set, which is this blue. And then just in the center of the lips, I'm going to put Stone Fox from NYX, which is this dark gray. Alright, so this is the finished dark mermaid look. If you guys like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave me a like down below and let me know that you liked it. And check out my other 31 days of Halloween looks I've already done, which of course are always linked below and up above. So check those out and I'll see you guys tomorrow.